Well, it's Thursday afternoon, or Thursday 12:49. We're headed back to Turkey Foot Campground. This first part of this road was a little shady. Gravel was real loose. I was slip sliding away, but it's all good. Man, what a beautiful day. I just hope this weather holds out. We got us some food. We're going to be cooking tonight. We're going to get us some firewood in, get some cooking going. Just gonna relax again. Had a great time down in Tennessee. I'm in Jackson County, Kentucky right now. Turkey Foot Recreational Area. It's not far from S.T. Tire Recreational Area. Man, it's nice down here. Seen some turkeys coming in. Got a lot of groceries. I got beer, I got ice, I got food on the back of it. You can tell when she's all loaded down, but she's stable. She does fine on the gravel. Worst case comes to worst, I just face plant, unload it, pick it up, take it back off. Don't want to do that. Here we go. Man, I love this down in here. This is one of my favorite places. Okay, here we go. That's what we're talking about. Well, the creek ain't as flooded as I thought it would be. Hopefully the water ain't running across the bridge too much, which it's not. Okay. This is one of my favorite places to camp. I just love it down here. It's peaceful. Get a chance down here. Solo Black 313 representing Detroit. This is a good camping destination. You get down here, check it out. Check it out. Come on, man, on the bridge. Hopefully we get the same spot we had last year. How you doing? Good. This Turkey Foot Campground is the place to be. Oh, my same camp spot's open. We might go do some caving again today. We need to find us a rock. This ground is soft right now. We'll park over here for right now. People, you're leaving your garbage down in here again. I don't get people. Why bring your fucking garbage and just leave it? It's not going to hold. There she goes. Shit. I need to find a rock or something. Trying to find a rock before she takes off on me. Stick I have to work temporarily. That's a little better. Turkey Foot Campground, y'all. Nice place to camp. Love it here. Oh man, they got plenty of firewood laid out down here. We'll just have to snatch it up. Well, we're back here at my favorite spot, Turkey Foot Campground. Seen a car pass through. Don't seem like there's nobody here. Creek looks real nice. Got some cold water to keep my my beer cool. But look what I found. The wood gods, the firewood gods has been good to me. Look at this pile of wood just sitting over here. Yeah, somebody says, I'm gonna clean up your mess, I'm taking your wood. So, well, I'm gonna snatch this wood up for anybody else comes in and claims this spot. I'll holler at you in a few. We got a good start on firewood. Got some firewood. Where this water's running out of this into this creek, there's a cave up in there. Up inside that cave's like a waterfall. I'm gonna try it, but I'm gonna get me a shower in that cave. It's gonna be a cold one. But I got the stuff with me. I'm gonna get down to where I need to be. I'm gonna cross that creek. I'm gonna go up in that cave up in there and get a bath here in a little bit. But what I'm gonna do right now, I got this big Connex bag that I carry I carry all my camping supplies in this tent. My sleeping bag, my tent. I'm gonna use this as a firewood bag. We're gonna make a raid all up around this ridge. Is campsites. Nobody's here. People tend to leave wood at their campsites. We're gonna raid it. I'm an opportunist, not Paul Bunyan. We'll get up there. We're gonna raid these campsites, and then we're gonna relax. Let's get it done. Roll. Oh man, I can see the smallmouth swimming in that creek. This rock is loose. Easy, girl. Wood. We'll take every free piece we can get. Dog, you come over here, I bite too. My bite's worse than yours. Oh yeah. Couple more runs, we have enough firewood for tonight. Well, I got camp set up, got a fire going. There's a group down here doing a Kentucky adventure trail, come rolling through, and I got this big old spot here on the creek. I said, join me. So more the better. Got company tonight. Got camp set up. They're down here doing the Kentucky adventure trail. So I asked them to join me, and they jumped right in here. Look at this setup. Caleb, you need to do your truck this way. What a setup. Now, where's you sleep? Does that fold down? Oh,
yeah,
you got
the bed comes down.
the bed comes down.
Yeah.
Okay, you got it flipped up.
Yep. So yeah, that platform right there, it's on struts, and it just comes down, and then you sleep up there in the top.
Oh wow, what a nice setup. Now, is this custom or is this something you can buy? Because my son has the exact same truck.
The shell you buy,
And you
the
custom.
interior is all you.
You make it your own.
Yep. Yep.
Now, are you running? You got stock axles?
Stock axles, but I have a 2-inch lift that's made to carry the weight.
Nice.
But everything else stock. Drivetrain, everything stock.
It's a Toyota. It gets the job
and it's
done.
The off-road package, so it's got all the magic.
Yeah, yeah.
Yep. And that shit is legit. The crawl control.
It's got lockers. Will unlock.
Yep.
Yeah, that's what it's
stuff
about.
is legit.
Look at this setup. Hey, who needs a motorhome? These guys get her done. Wow, what a nice setup. This is nice. Woolly bear.
We stay here, eat up our food sources. Couple nights.
What a nice setup. This is part of the adventure. Meeting nice people, having a good time. The more people here, the better. I'm enjoying this. Company's fine. Great guys, just met them. Well, this is it for today. Off that mountain, they won't find you till the fall of the year. Well, it's been a great trip. I've had a good time, and all must come to an end. Until the next time, everybody ride safe, be careful, and get out there and enjoy this beautiful country we have. Well, I checked the weather app, what the weather's like on my route. It said, hell no, you're gonna get wet. Well, it's coming. It's fixing to get real. Well, I guess you got to pay your road dues. It all can't be fair winds and following seas. You know, sun shining all the time. I'm fixing to get real. All right. Hey, I really like this windshield in this ST. I'm running 90, got the windshield up. This thing, hardly any wind at all. The fatigue that it takes off of you riding on the road is great. Once again, I didn't know what I never had. If you'd have asked me before I got this bike, would I wanted a windshield this high, I'd have been like, no, I'm good. I'm good. But like I said, most normal, like my Versus windshield would be about right there. But raise it all the way up. Now we're running 100. Get chopped around a little bit by these trucks. But just a great, the wind, nothing's hitting my legs on this bike. If I was riding in the rain, I don't think my legs would get wet at all. Like I said, I'm a fan of the ST. And again, the perfect bike is the bike that makes you happy, but would I go buy another one of these today? Absolutely. If they made them new, I'd go buy a new one, but they don't, so. And at 100, this thing is just smooth.